Hi, this is Talukder. Today I will show you how to add three types of logo to your Shopify store. Number one, default logo. Number two, transparent logo, and number three, clickable logo. Clickable logo, a custom feature I added with my own code for a client request. Currently, my store doesn't have any logo, so let's go step by step and all three types. Number one, adding the default logo. So go to your Shopify admin panel, hold the control button on your keyboard and click the customize. This will open in a new tab. Once the customization page opens, make sure the home page is selected. If not, choose it from the drop down. On the left side, click header, scroll down until find the logo image option. Click image box. If you want to upload it from your computer, click add files. I already have logo uploaded, so I will select it, done, and then save, and go back your store and refresh. Now the default logo has been added successfully. Now I will show you how to add the transparent logo. Again, go to the customization page. Under the header, scroll down and find the transparent header. Yes, transparent header option. Click the image box and select your transparent logo, then done, and save, and go to your store again and refresh. Now I can't see any transparent logo, so we should select any option. Below that you will see option enable the transparent logo on different pages. Enable on home page, enable on collection page, enable on article page, enable on pages. Turn on this option you want. For the example, I enable it for home page and save, and refresh our store again, and this is transparent logo. This is default logo and this is transparent logo. Okay, now I will show you how to add clickable logo. This is custom picture, and in the DOM theme this option doesn't exist by default. I created this picture which is custom code for client request. And go to custom page, and now I am in custom page, and scroll down and click theme settings and click here and select clickable logo, done, and save. Go to back your store, refresh, and also check your mobile version. And click here, and this is clickable logo. This is clickable logo, and this is default logo. This is transparent logo, and this is clickable logo. This is default logo. This is clickable logo, and this is transparent logo. That's it. Today we learned how to add three types of logo: default logo, transparent logo, and clickable logo. Thank you for watching this video.